AI is changing the world faster than any technology in history. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? In the next 3 minutes, you'll understand AI better than most people. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that allows computers to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing images, learning from data, solving problems, and making decisions. Instead of following simple instructions, AI can learn patterns from huge amounts of information and improve over time. Just like humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. You probably use AI every day without realizing it. When Netflix recommends a movie you'll enjoy, that's AI. When Google Maps finds the fastest route, that's AI. When your phone unlocks using your face, that's AI. Even social media apps use AI to show content they think you'll like. One of the most popular AI tools today is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained on massive amounts of text and learns patterns in language. When you ask a question, it predicts the best response based on what it has learned. That's why it can answer questions, explain concepts, write content, generate code, and help people learn new skills. AI is already transforming how we live, work, and learn, and this is only the beginning. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to AI Vera for more AI tutorials.